Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit graphs in PowerPoint quickly, easily, and effectively. Whether you're refreshing an old presentation or creating a new one, being able to customize your graphs is a must-have skill. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the presentation you want to work on. Once your slide deck is opened, locate the graph you want to edit. Right-click on it, and from the menu, select Edit Data. This will open an Excel spreadsheet that holds all the numbers and labels your graph uses. Here's the fun part. Updating your graph is as simple as typing in the new values. Change numbers, categories, or years directly in the spreadsheet and watch your graph update instantly on your slide. It's a live preview, so you can see exactly how your changes affect the design. A quick tip, double check your entries as you go. Accuracy matters, and a small mistake can throw off your whole presentation. Also, take a moment to look at how your graph's design responds to the new data. You might need to tweak colors, labels, or spacing to keep everything clear and visually appealing. When you're happy with your updates, just close the Excel window. PowerPoint automatically saves your changes, so there's no extra step. Take one final look at your slide to make sure your graph fits perfectly and communicates your data effectively. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can confidently edit any graph in PowerPoint and make your data presentation ready. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.